Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Fortniteclient Win64 cannot system error. To begin, go to the path where Fortnite is installed, which by default is Program Files. Here, open the Epic Games folder. After that, open the Fortnite folder. First, in the Fortnite game folder, delete the binaries folder. After this, go back and now access the engine folder. Here you are going to delete the binaries folder. After this, open Epic Games. You are going to click on the Fortnite menu and click on Manage. To finish, click on Verify. Here you just wait for this process to complete to completely fix this error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.